2015 Mazda Mazda3, and today I'm going to show you how to jump start your vehicle. So first open the hood, and then towards the driver's side you should see your battery here, and your positive terminal here and negative here. And you can always double check on the battery itself too, because usually the negative symbol is going to be here by the negative and the positive by the positive. And then next I would take a good brush or rag and clean off any corrosion or anything like that you might see around. After that, I'd make sure all these connections are tight. So if they're loose, you can tighten them up just to make sure you got good metal on metal connection. And then from there, with your jump box or jumper cables, you take your metal clamps and connect your positive clamp as much metal as you can here with your positive clamp, and with your negative clamp, connect to as much of the metal here as you can. And if you're jumping from another vehicle, make sure that the vehicle is turned on with the motor running. And then you've got your positive running to the positive on the other vehicle, and the negative directly to the negative on the other vehicle. And once you've had a good connection like that for a few minutes or so from your jump box or the jumper cables, hopefully that's enough to get you enough juice to get this started. If you've been trying for quite a while without having any success, you might need to replace this battery, which you can do by loosening these terminals to lift them off, removing this support brace here so you can just lift the old battery out. Then you'll set your new battery in, retighten everything, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.